English girl named Fiona.
What's the way back home again? What's the way back home again? What's going on, people? Morning. It's 6:30 in the morning. I mean, I'm supposed to be riding out the hub right now, but long story short, I'm tired, man. And today we're not forgetting our helmet because I forgot my helmet on Monday, got sent home. I think things happen for a reason. So now we are at Kenton Park. I'm gonna turn on my delivery app to currently working. Turn my notifications on. Oh. Morning. I want to go for a new bag. How am I feeling today? I want the easy go. Last time I rode that, that was calm. Nah, that bag's a bit of a hassle. Just gotta grab that thing, you know, bro. Yeah, that's good for me.
How long was your shift? 4 hours.
Let me know what you think. This guy got told to choose a shitter bike because he was doing a shorter shift. Tell me how that works.
How long was your shift?
To 11.
Can you take an orange bike as well, please, instead of this one?
Orange on, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was calm. Oh, is that longer range? Is that more longer range than these?
These have a longer battery life, as they're only doing
Oh yeah, true.
till 11 a.m. Yeah.
You see, those bikes, can they change gear?
Yeah.
Like as in the
assist.
on the actual.
Yeah, they have a gear change like every other bike. And then
Yeah.
like this.
All right, I'm gonna. Should I put this over there, or should I just leave this here? I've never used these ones before. This ain't got no gear changer. That's got one gear. That's got one gear. That's a bit too hard for me. Right. One thing I do love is the bloody suspension. Oh my days! I'm not gonna lie, this bike feels a bit fucked though, because it's got one gear and you just pedal out with. You know what I mean? It's like all different types of pedal speeds in one. But I'm so sorry, I can't go to Camden, man. Camden, they always say go Camden. Camden's quick. So quick early morning fitness. Do a quick lifesaver check to see if anybody coming or overtaking. Oh, I like that though. Sounds disgraceful, but I like it. What the hell is this? Wow, some cycle road. I have no power in my legs. I mean, yesterday I did leg day, so it's peak right now. Greg's around. separate free. Did say I don't want the bike now. Look at it, no stand, just coming like a dingers now, man. What's the way back home again? What's the way back home again? Honestly, don't know get how it's gone back to full charge. I don't know if it's. I don't know if I clocked the battery or something, but the stand which was right there has now come off. It's proper come off. It's proper actually come off. Because normally you would kick it down. I actually can't believe this, but I've got extra bar battery. I just can't fucking believe this, man. We're gonna make it back. I cannot believe what happened today. I can't believe that. So basically, let me just give you a little quick tip what happened. So basically, hold up, this is that one. I'm going to delivery here. Hold up. Hit the stand.
Watch out,
So
road
stands got
on the road ahead.
Right.
So road stands got on the road ahead.
Distance is that. After a few logistical issues, transport issues, and issues regarding my health and safety, I decided to leave this company and now work for myself, self-employed. So if you're interested to see my journey, stay tuned for much more videos on tips and tricks and how I'm getting on now.